Hello, Torrent Tigers. My name is Miss Holly, and don't put away those plastic Easter eggs yet, because today I'm going to show you some fun things that you can do with them. One of the things that I made today was a maraca. I just took a plastic Easter egg, and I found some popcorn in the cupboard. You can also use rice or anything that you think that would make noise. Just put it in the egg and close it up. And just put it in between two spoons. You can use duct tape or Scotch tape or whatever you have. The next thing I found was the alphabet. I used Google Images to find this on the computer, but if you don't have that, all you have to do is write it on a piece of paper. You need 2 copies of this because I cut up the second copy and I put them inside the Easter eggs. So all these eggs are filled with letters. You can do this as a scavenger hunt, or you can just have your kids pick them out of a basket, and you can do it as a matching game, but it's just whatever is best for your child. So inside each egg is a letter. You could do upper and lowercase, or you could do both lowercase or both uppercase, whatever they're working on. I have a student in my class who is working on sign language. So I did find one on the computer, and you would have to have the computer for this, of the alphabet and sign language. So for him, I cut up the letters and I put them each in an egg. So you could say, this is a blue egg with the letter D, the letter D. A pink egg, pink. You make a P and then you use your second finger, pink, pink. It's a pink egg. The letter C. So some other ideas that I have with eggs, you can start very simple, or you can make it more complex, and I'll show you how to do that. So with this egg, you can match lowercase and lowercase, uppercase and uppercase, and uppercase and lowercase. So I just use a Sharpie and I also made one. This one is side by side and it's uppercase and lowercase. And then you can twist it to match them. The next one I did, let's see, get a word. You can make words, and all you do is have them twist it. So they are not all words, but fall, call, ball, hall, and on this side is it. So sit is not a word, but if you twist it, hit, mitt, which is not a word, fit, bit. The last idea, and I can't flip my camera upside down, so I'm going to have to hold them up, but I'm going to show you as close as possible. I took our school core words and I placed them on top of the Easter egg, so they'll move very easy on top of a table. And so you can move them around to make sentences. So my sentence, I want more play. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.